Hi friends, Paul Kelly, I'm back, and today I want to talk to you guys a few minutes just about the program changes that are programs are not really changing. What's changing is the pricing inside the product. So we have a product that we've sold thousands of those policies. All our agents have been, very active in selling those products because that type of product pays off in 10 years. You just pay payments for 10 years. You need to pay no more payments after 10 years. It's guaranteed paid off, and it has been used very, very often for kids' education. So people have taken that money and put it into some sort of an education fund or an educational supplement. So it's been a great product. It works for the rest of the child's life. As an adult, they will have a bunch of money collected. They will take it out tax-free and everything else. So it's an amazing product. But those prices are going up, so you need to take advantage of that and have it with this price, because it just means simply that if you're putting a certain amount of money, $100 or a couple $100 a month into this product, there's going to be less cash value built for that child in the future, or for the adult or anybody else using that same product, because the cost of insurance would be higher. So you don't want that to happen. You want that to work for you, to work it the best way and have the least cost of insurance, the least internal cost, and build more for you. So take advantage of those products. They're great products, great cash value building vehicles, great for your retirement supplementing, great for any kind of saving money, income tax free, not having to deal with the markets in any shape or form. It's not like an index universal life. Now, I want you guys to understand one thing. There's many people now, unfortunately, that are being approached by a lot of so-called agents, right? And there's a big reason why I'm saying so-called agents, because those are all the entrepreneurs, right? Those guys that have some other kind of a job. They know nothing about the insurance industry, but they're very excited. And so they want to sell you a policy that doesn't fit your needs. So a lot of these guys, because they multiply, because they need to recruit a lot of people. So in any shape or form, I mean, these guys are coming to you and selling you index universal life products, those called IUL products. And so what those products do is they don't guarantee the death benefit. So you have zero guarantee on the death benefit with the same payment. They don't guarantee you any kind of cash value. And basically you're carrying all the risk on your shoulders. You need to understand that, guys. People need to understand that. And so, those products sometimes are being compared to a whole life product as a cash value building mechanism or a cash value building vehicle. They are not. They are not whole life policies. You need to understand that. They're not whole life policies. Whole life policies have fixed, guaranteed cost of insurance. Index universal life, variable universal life, any kind of universal life policies don't have fixed cost of insurance. They have what's called annual renewable term chassis, meaning that every year that you get older by 1 year, your cost of insurance is now higher. You have to just open the policy and see it. Very, very simple, very clearly stated that your cost of insurance will keep rising for the rest of your life. So at some point, you will not have enough value in the policy, or your payments will not be enough to cover the cost of insurance. So talk about being hypocrites when they're selling this stuff, because they're telling you you can use the cash value. But when you ask them a question, say, hey, so the cost of insurance is going to go up as I get older? Yeah, so how is that going to be compensated? Do I have to pay more money? No, you don't have to pay more money. The savings, the cash value that gets built up, they will use the cash value to offset your cost of insurance, so they don't charge you more money. Well, I thought you told me that I was going to use the cash value for my retirement, my kids' college, or this and that, whatever. So if I use that cash value, if there's no cash value left, what does that mean? Does that mean that I won't have enough to carry my policy, so I will lose my life insurance policy? Well, that's essentially what it means. So you guys all need to be very, very careful. Now, again, unfortunately, these products are being pushed the way that they're being pushed right now. There's lawsuits coming up. They're starting lawsuits. And they will be multiplied, these lawsuits, because they're sold for all the wrong reasons. I have seen clients, and I'm telling you, I've seen many clients. I've seen clients that were promised, they will be gaining 8 or 10% interest. So they said, you pay $3,000 a month into this contract, you'll get $282,000 of annual income from your policy at age 65. The guy was 35 getting the policy. He was not even guaranteed he will have a life insurance at age 65, let alone being paid an income. So you know what? When him and his attorney sat down and called the insurance company and they grilled the insurance company said, absolutely not. You're guaranteed zero. So he canceled his policy, went to the Department of Insurance, did this and that. Another lady, same thing. They told her, she will have this, that, whatever. Again, another multi-level pyramid kind of a company. Guess what? She found out after 21 years she will have no life insurance. Went to the Department of Insurance. They had replaced her policy illegally, so she was able to get her money back. Fortunately, we helped her to get the money back. But I saw another one that they asked the client to pay a significant amount of one payment, and then the second year another payment, and said your $1 million will be paid off for the rest of your life. Well, you know what? That's a lie, because the guy requested the illustration. Of course, it's not guaranteeing the policy. Even if the guy kept paying that payment, it's not guaranteeing, let alone you paid this thing off. You just paid 2 payments, it's done, your insurance is paid off, guaranteed for the rest of your life. What a scam. So do not get scammed. The policies that I'm telling you about, the 10 payment whole lives, premiums are changing. Those are called participating guaranteed whole life products. Participating guaranteed whole life. Participating means it's sold from a mutual company, it's mutually owned, it's not a stock company, it's not publicly traded company, so it doesn't have all those risks. It moves like an elephant, it moves slow. It's not like stock markets like this, but it's very solid. So very different. Do not buy this idea that somebody says, oh yeah, my product is a whole life too. There's not that many companies now left in the industry, maybe 4 or 5 of them. You can count on one hand how many mutual companies are left out there that will sell you a participating, dividend-paying whole life product. So please pay attention to this. Give us a call, set up an appointment. If you were sold the Index Universal Life, if you were told that, past 70 years, the market's done this and that, whatever, they promised you a big bill of goods, please open up your policies and read them. If you have any questions, give Legacy Partners a call. There's a phone number on your screen. Set up an appointment and make sure that you review your policy, because you don't want to find out about it when your policy is lapsing and you're in your 60s or 70s or something. So thank you again. Take advantage of that product before the prices change. It's the 10 payment whole life. Great thing for your kids. If you have kids, give us a call. Definitely you want to see this product. And even if you don't get it, at least know that there was something like that. Thank you very, very much. I'll talk to you soon.